Here are the top 5 juices to cleanse your kidneys in just 30 days. Let's find out and choose the right juice for your body. Cranberry juice. Unsweetened or low-sugar cranberry juice may help prevent urinary tract infections, UTIs, by preventing bacteria from sticking to the urinary tract walls. While most UTIs don't affect kidneys, an untreated infection can sometimes travel to the kidneys. However, note that cranberry juice might affect the risk of certain kidney stones. Lemon juice. Lemon juice is naturally acidic and increases citrate levels in urine, which can help discourage the formation of kidney stones. It also helps filter blood and flush out waste. Diluted lemon juice can be a good daily addition. Beetroot juice. Beetroot juice has antioxidant properties and may help lower blood pressure, which is beneficial for kidney health, as high blood pressure can damage kidneys. However, beetroot is high in oxalate, which can increase the risk of calcium oxalate kidney stones for those prone to them. If you have a history of these stones, consult a doctor. Carrot juice. Carrot juice offers antioxidant effects. Animal studies have shown carrot root to be protective against kidney damage. Water. The most important cleanse for your kidneys is adequate water intake. Staying well hydrated helps your kidneys flush out sodium and toxins. Aim for at least 1.5 to 2 liters a day, but individual needs vary based on health, activity level, and climate. Consult a healthcare professional. Before starting any significant dietary change, especially if you have existing kidney conditions or other health concerns, it's crucial to consult with a doctor or a registered dietitian. They can provide personalized advice based on your health status. Balanced diet. Juices should supplement, not replace, a balanced diet. Focus on whole, unprocessed foods, lean proteins, and plenty of fruits and vegetables. Limit sodium and processed foods. Reduce your intake of high-sodium foods, processed meats, and refined carbohydrates, as these can put a strain on your kidneys. Monitor blood sugar and blood pressure. If you have diabetes or high blood pressure, managing these conditions is paramount for kidney health.